We are almost 2 months away from the launch of Galaxy S23 Ultra, but we get some exclusive news regarding the Galaxy S23 Ultra that you guys could love to see, and it is about some internals and some external changes Samsung is going to do with the S23 Ultra. As FCC certification is already out for the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and now it's the time for the official colors of the Galaxy S23 Ultra. And as per information, Galaxy S23 Ultra has been confirmed these colors, where we are going to get S23 Ultra in black, green, rose or light pink and beige. Now interesting part is Samsung didn't go with the white color on the Galaxy S23 Ultra, instead go with the beige color just like they did with the Z Fold 4. Although this is a really good color, you guys should have an eye on this one. And one additional thing confirms this beige color, where Samsung developed a new beige color power bank just like the Galaxy S23 Ultra color. Now what's special about this power bank? Well, it will come with the 10,000 mAh capacity, which will give one full charge and about 70 to 80% second charge to both S22 Ultra and the S23 Ultra, and estimated figures obviously. And this power bank will going to support 24 watt of super fast charging. If this happens, it will give you the same charging speed as you guys get with the wall charger, which is amazing. Right now this power bank is not available for sale, and as per estimation this will going to launch alongside with the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Let me know in the comments which color do you want the most in the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. You guys will surely like this internal update. As per reports, Galaxy S23 Ultra will going to get a new ultrasonic fingerprint scanner. Now as per reports, it may feature the Qualcomm's new 3D Sonic Max fingerprint scanner, which is world's largest fingerprint scanner so far. It has a surface area of 20mm into 30mm, which is 10 times bigger than the 3D Sonic Generation 2 used in S21 Ultra and S22 Ultra. And with this new feature, you guys can use 2 fingers for higher security, and it will also support 1-tab registrations, which means it will be much faster than the last generation. You guys may have heard about the satellite connectivity feature on the iPhone 14 Pro Max. Guess what? Samsung is also working on this feature, and S23 Ultra will going to get this feature. But this feature will be better than the iPhone 14 Pro Max, as Samsung will allow users to share text messages, but most importantly will allow users to send low capacity images, which is amazing. But it is not confirmed if this will be area restricted, just like Apple did, where you can only use this feature in Canada and United States. Samsung have bigger plans for the launch of Galaxy S23 Ultra, as they are going to launch Galaxy S23 Ultra in the early Feb, and phones will hit the market somewhere around 17th of Feb. If you guys want to see the real 200 megapixel camera sample of Galaxy S23 Ultra, then you guys should check this video and make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.